In this lecture we will see about the magnetic field or the magnetic flux density, which is given by B, and the unit of magnetic flux density is Weber per meter square, and we will derive the equation that is del cross B equal to 0, which says that magnetic flux is conservative, and this is known as Maxwell's fourth equation for static fields. That is, so the first thing is that we have seen what is the electric field density, which was given by D, which was equal to epsilon naught E, and so which was a field or coulomb per meter square. So again, similarly, the magnetic field intensity can be given as magnetic flux density can be given as B is equal to U naught H, where H is equal to magnetic field intensity, and the unit of B is equal to Weber per meter square. The U naught is equal to permeability of free space, which is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. So if you are saying that phi is a magnetic flux, the flux through a closed surface, through any surface, can be given as a surface integral of B dot ds. That is, you are multiplying it by meter square, so you are getting what is the total Weber, which is a flux, which is also given by this symbol. So this is a flux in Webers which you are getting, and it's seen that through any surface, B dot ds will be always equal to 0 through any closed surface. This says that isolated magnetic fields don't exist. They exist always in pairs, like there will be a north pole, then the adjacent to what it will be the south pole, and the field lines will pass from north to south pole. Even if you split it into two, you will find something as a north and south pole. So if you are applying the divergence theorem to this equation which you have got here, if you are saying this is my first equation, if you are applying my divergence theorem to that, then you are getting that surface integral of B dot ds is equal to the volume integral of del dot B in a volume of dV. So del dot B is equal to 0, and this is equal to 0 since magnetic field across or surface integral magnetic field across a surface, or magnetic flux density across surface, is 0. So when you are getting this is known as the conservation of magnetic flux. So the magnetic field intensity is itself not conservative, that is del cross H across any closed surface is equal to J, that is equal to the current density, but del cross B, that is a magnetic flux, is, or magnetic flux density is equal to 0. So the magnetic flux is conservative while the magnetic field intensity is not conservative, and was the third of the Maxwell's equation, while this was the fourth of the Maxwell's equation, which says that the magnetic flux is conservative. So that's all about deriving the fourth equation of Maxwell's for static electric fields, or static electrostatic and magnetostatic fields. And in the next lectures we will see more about capacitance, the resistance, and AC fundamentals.